Hi. So, how do you treat your acne scars at home? For those of you that are suffering from acne scars, what are the tips that will help you to more like get rid of it and reduce the appearance of your acne scars? So in this video, I'll be talking about how to treat your acne scars. I'll be giving you tips. I'll be telling you what ingredient that you should make sure you have in any skincare product that you're buying in order to help you to treat your acne scars. I will also be recommending some products, skincare products for you to help you with your acne scars. Okay. Now, if you're visiting my channel for the first time, my name is Chikelly. I am a certified esthetician, and in this channel, we'll talk about how to achieve glowing skin. I'm more like a personal trainer for your skin. Okay, I do my best to give skincare tips, beauty tips. I recommend skincare products. I also do a private skin consultation and a few DIY, basically everything skincare. Okay, so if you like what you're watching, don't forget to click the subscribe button and subscribe. All right, and when you're subscribing, you hit the bell button so that any update on my channel, you will not miss it. All right, and for my regular visitors, I love you. Thank you so much for coming back. How do you treat your acne scars at home? So acne scars are usually formed when a breakout penetrates the skin deeply and in the process damages the tissue beneath it. Each acne scars responds to treatment differently, and this is the reason why it's always advisable that you know what type of acne that you have, because some acne are hormonal. So if it is something that is hormonal, you have to meet a doctor, a dermatologist, in order to maybe treat your treat the acne with medication first before you now get rid of the scars on the outside. Okay, that is always advisable that you know what type of acne scars that you have. All right, another thing is, if you know that maybe some of these tips that I'm going to mention in this video, you've exhausted all of them, you're a skincare guru and you've exhausted all of them, then you know that your acne is a medical issue and you have to seek a professional to help you get rid of it. All right, the first tip in treating your acne scars. Now, my first recommendation in treating your acne scars is alpha hydroxy acid. I love alpha hydroxy acid, AHA, because this acid exfoliates the outer layer of your skin, and in the process it helps to reduce discoloration and rough skin. One other thing I love about it is it stops your pores it stops your pores from clogging, okay, because of the deep exfoliation that it gives your skin. So in the process, it stops your pores from clogging. So when we talk about alpha hydroxy acid, the likes of glycolic acid is good because glycolic acid is a very good exfoliator. So whenever you're buying any exfoliant, you need to look for alpha hydroxy acid. So alpha hydroxy acid, you can get them in pills, you can get them in toners, you can get them as cleansers. Okay, and whenever you're using alpha hydroxy acid, you have to make sure that you use it sparingly. Don't use it, all the time, because sometimes if a use of too much of it can make your skin to become very sensitive. So whatever product that you're buying, make sure, whatever exfoliant that you're buying, make sure is alpha hydroxy acid should be one of them. Okay, my second recommendation is retinoids. Okay, topical retinoids has smoothing acne benefits. Okay, because retinoids as well, they are acids, so they exfoliate your skin and they help to make your acne very smooth. You know how some acne scars can be a little bit bumpy, so topical retinoid help smooth your acne out, make them less visible, and brightens your skin. One other thing I love about topical retinoid is it helps to speed up your cell regeneration and thereby improving your skin texture. And when your cell regeneration process is working fine, you will have less acne breakouts. But one setback about retinoid is be very, very careful when you're using retinoid, because if you're using it and you're not applying sunscreen. In fact, every single tip I'm going to give you in this video, you have to use sunscreen, because these are, strong skincare products. So so topical retinoids are good, but be careful when using it, because if you use it too much, it can make your skin overly sensitive, and it can also dry out your skin. And try and protect your skin from the sun by wearing sunscreen when using topical retinoids or when using alpha hydroxy acid. Okay, now this particular one is my favorite, lactic acid. I love lactic acid because how, especially skin of color, we get our skin gets pigmented very easily. So any little spot, any little breakout, it goes dark. Lactic acid helps to lighten your acne scars. So regular use of lactic acid will help to improve the appearance of your pigmentation, the appearance of your skin texture, and it also helps to lighten your acne scars. One other recommendation is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is very good in clearing your pores. I said earlier, some acne breakouts are caused by clogged pores that are infected, the bacteria. Salicylic acid will help to clear your pores and in the process reduce your acne breakout. And if you even have dark spots on your face, salicylic acid will help to stop you from even breaking out. If you use salicylic acid, all the time, it will help your acne scars from forming, because it's clearing the pores that are causing acne. So if you actually help reduce the breakout, your acne breakout, it actually does. You can try it and you will understand what I'm trying to say. It does stop you from breaking out if you use it often. All right. And one other thing is salicylic acid. Too much of it can cause irritation in your skin, and too much of it can dry out your skin. So you have to make sure you don't use it too much. Maybe you can use it like 2-3 times a week. You can find it in pills, you can find it in cleansers, you can find it in toners. Yeah, they are very good exfoliants, and I highly, highly recommend it. Okay, I do. They are good. It has 2 setbacks. The first setback is salicylic acid is very slow, and like if you want quick results, salicylic acid will not give you quick result. It takes few weeks before you start to notice, and it's good when applied as a topical. When applied topically, it's very good on the skin. It's a very good exfoliant. Another setback is it can make your skin, it can cause irritation on your skin, and it can cause your skin to dry out a little bit more if you're using it all the time. Okay, so you have to work with it based on your skin type. Let's say if you're someone that your skin is already dry, you don't need to use it all the time. Okay, maybe 2-3 times a week you should use it. And if you want to use it all the time, you have to make sure that you apply your moisturizer. Constantly apply your moisturizer at least 2 times a day to keep your skin hydrated. But it's a very good exfoliant in working with your acne scars. Okay, it is good. Now, my last recommendation is sunscreen. Yes, do you know that sun darkens your spots? Okay, so if you're someone that is suffering from acne scars, you go out in the sun, you don't apply your sunscreen, your acne scars will continue to get darker and darker, and they will not look nice. Okay, so make sure you lather your sunscreen. For those of you that don't like chemical sunscreen, you get moisturizers that have sunscreen. There's so many of them out there. Make sure you lather your skin with sunscreen, especially if you're suffering from acne scars. All right, my favorite people, one more last thing. No matter how frustrating and how tempting your acne scars is, please do not pick it, do not squeeze it, and last but not the least, do not pop it. Okay, the reason is because when you squeeze your acne scar, if you're not a professional and you try to pick and you try to squeeze and you try to pop, you actually damage the underlying tissue, and in doing that, you will break out more, and your scars can get infected and can get damaged, and then more acne will come out. And because you don't know what is in that finger that you're using, it can, bacteria can get it infected, and then if it's the scars that's supposed to last for only 1 month or 2 months, it can stay up to months and months before you begin to notice any improvement in the appearance. Okay, so do not squeeze, do not pick, and do not pop. All right, if you want professional help with your acne, go to a dermatologist or go to a certified esthetician and get other treatments that can help with your acne. But these tips are for treating acne at home. All right, I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, click the subscribe button and subscribe, share this video, and please like it. All right, it's not going to cost you a thing. Just click the like button and like it, and also subscribe. Okay, I love you so much, my beautiful people, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Mwah.